Old Joe's got a Boston Whaler he bought in Key Biscayne, and he swears that since the day he got her, she's been nothing but a pain. When the sun's at his back and the wind's in his face, it's just him and the wheel. He wouldn't take $1 million for the way it makes him feel. Boats, vessels of freedom, harbors of healing, boats. Newport was where John hung his hat till he lost his wife Joan. Now 40 feet of sail antique is where old John calls home. He watched his life pass before his eyes in the middle of a hurricane. Came out alive on the other side. That's where the other side got its name. Boats, vessels of freedom, harbors of healing. Of a landlocked job was all that Tom could take. Sitting at his desk alone and depressed, says this just can't be my fate. Went home that night and told his wife, you can tell all your friends it's been real, but it ain't been fun. Gonna get us one of them boats, vessels of freedom, harbors of healing. Boats, vessels of freedom.
Well, just got the interior installed on my 84 Liberator. Had the upholstery done by Bob Roush of CPR over in Middleville. Does beautiful work. So everything's all ready to go. Can't wait to go out and take a sea test with it. Bob also had the custom embroidering done in the back seat. Turned out really nice. All the lines, all the seams, all the fits are beautiful.